Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use ClearScore for credit reports, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with ClearScore, visit their official website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Get Your Free Score button and click on it. Next, you will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure you use a secure password that you can remember. After entering your details, you will receive a verification email. Check your email inbox for this verification message. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the ClearScore website to log in with your email and password. After logging in, you'll need to provide some personal details like your full name, address, and date of birth. ClearScore will ask for this information to access your credit report securely. Fill in all the required fields carefully and click Continue. Now, ClearScore will gather your financial information and analyze your credit. This process may take a few moments, so please be patient. Once your credit score is ready, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Your dashboard will display your credit score and a summary of your credit history. You may also see a breakdown of factors impacting your score. Explore the options available on your dashboard for more insights. ClearScore provides personalized tips for improving your credit score. These tips can help you manage your finances better. You can also access your full credit report from this dashboard. Look for the option that says View Full Report and click on it. Your full credit report will show detailed information about your credit accounts. You can check for any errors or fraudulent activity in your report. If you find any discrepancies, you can challenge them through ClearScore's platform. Refer to the resources section for further assistance on correcting any errors. ClearScore also offers monitoring services to help protect your credit score. Consider signing up for these alerts to stay informed about any changes. Finally, make sure to check your credit report regularly. Regular reviews can help you maintain a healthy credit profile. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.